In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove users in Hubspot. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Hubspot website. Once you're on the homepage, navigate your way to the top right corner where you'll spot the login button. Click on it. Now enter your login credentials and sign into your Hubspot account. This will take you to your Hubspot home. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol. You'll find this icon near the upper right of the page. Click on it to access the settings menu. Now from the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options on the left hand side. Scroll down until you find users and teams, select it. With the users and teams section open, you'll notice a create user button. Click this to start adding a new user. A new screen will appear asking for the email address of the user you'd like to add. Enter their email address in the designated field. After entering the email, click on the Next button. Here you'll have the option to configure the user's permissions. The next step involves clicking the search bar where you can customize and find the specific roles and permissions you want to assign. If your new user only requires viewing capabilities, you can select View Only Seat. Once you've set the desired permissions, proceed by clicking on Next. Now you're nearly there. Finalize the setup by selecting Create User. The system will process your input and shortly the new user will be successfully added to your Hubspot account. To indicate that you're done, click on the Done button, wrapping up the user addition process. Switching gears to removing a user, we'll first revisit the Users and Teams section in the settings menu. Here you'll see a list of all current users. Find the user you wish to remove. It's as simple as selecting the user from the list. Once selected, look for the Deactivate button and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure that you want to deactivate this user. By clicking Deactivate User, you effectively remove their access to your Hubspot account. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing users in Hubspot, both adding new ones and removing unnecessary accounts. Whether you're restructuring your team or simply updating your user list, these simple steps will help you keep your Hubspot account organized and up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Hubspot tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.